Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add members to your ClickUp Workspace. Adding members to your ClickUp Workspace allows you to collaborate with your team, assign tasks, and manage projects more efficiently. First of all, launch open ClickUp application on a device, or you may also visit ClickUp account via web browser. After you're signed into your account for ClickUp, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from your workspace. Once you do that, you'll open up the Profile and Settings tab. Click on Invite Users from the menu. On the next page, write down the email address of the person you want to invite. After you do that, click on Invite button. Repeat this step for every other members you'd like to invite to your workspace. Soon after you do that, invited members will receive an email invitation to join in your workspace. Once they accept, their name will appear in your people or member list. So that is how you can easily invite members or add members to your ClickUp Workspace. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.